Alright, so it's funny because I've had one of these engines before in a T-Max that I owned years ago, but I never actually took it out of the truck. So obviously I never took it apart, so this will be my first time I've ever taken one of these things apart, which is going to be fun and interesting, but I'm primarily doing it just so I can clean this up. And I want it to look pretty and nice, and also inspect the interior. Idle bar glow plug on this engine? That doesn't make much sense at all. Wow. Does this engine have any runtime on it? I mean, shit. Look inside there. I don't know if I can turn it. Doesn't look like this damn engine's got any runtime on it at all. It's almost just like this head is all that's dirty. Kind of messed up. Damn. I'm almost thinking now I should just spray this with LA's Totally Awesome Cleaner and just brush it clean, because this engine doesn't really look like it's got much time on it at all. Now I'm not even sure why I'm doing this after seeing this. Ooh. That looks kind of sludgy for some reason. This thing is still extremely warm. Put a side of that piston there. That's the back end of it, I guess. Huh, look at that. Rear bearing came out with it. That makes life much easier, because now I can just pop that front bearing out real quick while this thing's still warm. And that bearing's good. Cool. That came right off. Now let me just go find something small and soft to pop this front bearing out. Okay, front bearing's out now too. And it too is nice and smooth, so I don't think I'm going to put this sleeve in the cleaner, because it really won't do much to that, but these two parts are going in there. Yeah, I need to take this thing out so I don't lose that in the cleaner. Okay, so here are the parts that are cleaned up now. As you can see, this head came, I would say, 99% clean. The piston was in the ultrasonic for quite some time, and this burnt on caster residue or fuel residue from the exhaust port is just not going to come off, and I'm not going to waste any more time with that. Here's the engine case. It was pretty dark. Now, what this took was not only the ultrasonic cleaner, but also a vibrating toothbrush. Dunked in the ultrasonic cleaner while the vibrating toothbrush is on. I find that that's also a very effective means for getting things out. I've already reinstalled the bearings. The bearings were perfect. Like I said, I don't know how much runtime this thing has on it, but it doesn't seem like much at all. Finally, the exhaust header. A lot of that came off. Getting this burnt on residue off is going to be a very time consuming process. I'll probably throw this back in the parts cleaner and let it go for, you know, another hour or so. It doesn't really matter to me if it gets 100% clean, but I think it looks a hell of a lot better. But anyway, I'm going to put this engine back together, and unfortunately I don't really have any way to test it unless I actually put it on the T-Max I've got. So I guess that's going to be it for this video. That's the disassembly cleaning of this TRX 2.5 engine.